Yes?
You have engines too?
Oh yeah.
How many?
10.
10? Excellent.
I will make next time a German engine. Same style.
Inverted vertical? Yeah.
It's from 1886.